Ivanti Velocity Forms uses a proxy server to secure the connection between devices running the Velocity client and the Ivanti Neurons platform in the cloud. This video covers installation and setup for the proxy server. The proxy server is installed on your local network in a location where the devices can connect to it and where it can connect to the internet. The proxy server uses the following inbound ports. On port 5555, the proxy server listens for connections from devices. By default, the installer creates a rule in the Windows firewall that allows inbound connections on this port. But if you have other firewall or security measures in place, you must allow inbound connections on this port. On port 14573, the proxy server UI is accessed. Since an administrator can only access the UI from the local computer, it does not need to be configured in the firewall. The proxy server does not allow access to the UI from remote computers. The first thing you are going to do in order to set up the proxy server is download the proxy server installer. In the Ivanti Neurons menu, click Supply Chain Intelligence, Proxy Server Download, and click Download Proxy Server. Next, let's set up the app registration. You can either click the Go to App Registrations button here, or click Admin, App Registrations, New Registration. Select Velocity Forms from the list and click Continue. I'm not worried about a description, so I'll just click Register. The information needed to authorize the proxy server to connect to Ivanti Neurons is displayed. Keep this panel open until you get the proxy server set up, because there's not a way to show this information after you close it. If you do close the panel, though, not a big deal. You can always delete this app registration and create a new one. Now let's run the installer. Double-click the installer, do the usual installer type things, and if you get the user account control prompt, make sure you accept. Then, after the installer is finished, make sure the Launch Configuration Page option is enabled and click Finish. The first time you access the proxy server UI, you'll need to set up an account to secure the UI. There is only one account used to log into the proxy server, and it is independent from any Ivanti Neurons account. So provide the account information and click Create Account. On the Ivanti Neurons connection page, this is where you're going to paste the information that was created for the app registration. When you've got that done, click Approve in Ivanti Neurons. The proxy server contacts Ivanti Neurons, provides the authorization information, and then requests a human to approve the server. So click Yes, Allow. An access token is issued to the proxy server that is good for 1 year. An administrator must refresh the access token before the token expires to keep forms available. If the token expires, Velocity clients will not be able to access forms. The data on the device information page is what you'll need to connect devices to the proxy server. Make sure that the server is using the correct IP address that is accessible to devices. After you click Save, you can go ahead and download those certificates now if you'd like, but we'll cover setting up devices in a different video.